The New Zealand electoral system has been mixed-member proportional since 1996. MMP was introduced after a referendum in 1993. MMP replaced the first-past-the-post system New Zealand had previously used for most of its history. New Zealand has a single House legislature, the House of Representatives, usually with 120 members, although the number can increase because of one or two overhang seats, depending on the outcome of the electoral process. The 52nd Parliament, elected in 2017, has 120 seats, 71 were filled by electorate MPs, with the remaining 49 from ranked party lists. The term of the New Zealand Parliament is set at 3 years. The next election will be held on 17 October 2020. In 1893, New Zealand was the first country in the world to give women the right to vote. This meant that theoretically, New Zealand had universal suffrage from 1893, meaning all adults 21 years of age and older were allowed to vote. However, the voting rules that applied to the European settlers did not apply to Maori, and their situation is still unique in that a number of seats in the New Zealand Parliament are elected by Maori voters alone. In contemporary New Zealand, generally all permanent residents and citizens over 18 are eligible to vote. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.